Today we shall discuss some problems which are important in examination point of view of intermediate from circles chapter. Already we have done some problems. In addition to those ones, we shall discuss some short answer and essay type questions. Our first problem of today's session is show that a 3 minus 1 lies on the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0, and also find the other end of the diameter passing through the point A. I repeat, show that the point A 3 minus 1 lies on the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0, and also find the equation of the find the other end of the diameter which passes through this point. If you represent the data given in the problem by means of a diagram, let us say this is the circle represented by the equation s equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0. Here is one point A. First of all, we have to show that the point lies on the circle. Through this point, if you draw one line, that is diameter passing through the center, you will get other extremity. What are the coordinates of other extremity of the diameter? That is our present problem. So first of all, write down the equation of the circle given. What is given circle equation, sir? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0. Given point. What is given point? 3 minus 1. Point lies on the circle, we have to show. S11. Substitute the point here 9 plus 1 minus 6 minus 4. 10 minus 10 results 0. Since S11 equal to 0, A 3 minus 1 lies on the circle. S equal to 0. That is our first part. To find out B coordinates, that is other extremity of the diameter, let us write down center of given circle. Center of given circle. What is center of given circle? Formula minus G minus F. G means half of x coefficient, F means half of y coefficient. Minus G, that is 1, minus F minus 2. Minus G minus F. Minus of half of this one minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Center coordinates minus F, half of y coefficient by change of symbol. That is nothing but minus 2. Actually, the center C is becoming midpoint of AB, because if these two are extremities of the diameter, this length is radius and this length is radius. Definitely to AB, C is the midpoint. So let B coordinates be x2, y2 be other extremity of the diameter. Other extremity of the diameter. Other extremity of the diameter. Extremity means వ్యాసాగ్రము. రెండవ అగ్రాన్ని మనం అదర్ ఎక్స్ట్రిమిటీ అంటాం. తెలుగులో వ్యాసాగ్రము. డయామీటర్ అంటే వ్యాసం. ఇప్పుడు మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ AB ఈక్వల్ టు C. ఏబిలకి మధ్య బిందువు సి అవుతుంది. అంచేత ఏబి మిడ్ పాయింట్కి ఫార్ములా ఏమిటి? ఇది ఏ. బి ఆల్రెడీ మన దగ్గర అనుకున్నాం. సో మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఫార్ములా x1 ప్లస్ x2 బై 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So what will you get? X2 plus 3 by 2, y2 minus 1 by 2 equal to C coordinates, center coordinates 1 minus 2. Equating these two implies x2 equal to 2 ones are 2 minus 3. y2 equal to minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. So therefore other end of the diameter is B equal to minus 1 minus 3. Other end of the diameter coordinates are minus 1 minus 3. Okay. Center of the circle passing through 2 minus 3 and minus 4 5 lies on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Then find its equation. That is the problem. Here this is the circle and that circle is passing through the point 2 minus 3, another one B minus 4 5. Its center is lying on this line. Then what's its equation? That is the present problem. Let us take up, as we don't know the equation of the circle, let us assume, let the circle be S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Its center minus g minus f lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. 4 into minus g, 3 into minus f plus 1 equal to 0. 4g plus 3f minus 1 equal to how much, sir? 0. From this we can write down 4g plus 3f equal to 1. That is equation number 1. And in the given problem, our required circle is passing through 2 points, 2 minus 3 minus 4 5. Since s equal to 0 is passing through 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, we can take up by substituting this point in the assumed circle equation. We will get 4g minus 6f plus c equal to minus 13. Minus 13. This is second equation. Just I substituted x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3 in the assumed equation. 4g minus 6f plus c equal to how much? Minus 13. It is passing through another point also, since the circle s equal to 0 passes through minus 4 5. Minus 8g plus 10f plus c equal to minus 16 plus 25 minus 41. Equation 3. By solving these three equations, we have to find out G value, F value, C value, so that we can get equation of the circle. So, how to write down this one? Minus 8G plus 10F plus C equal to minus 41, and 4G minus 6F plus C equal to minus 13. Minus, plus, minus, plus. Solve these two. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12G. 10 plus 6, 16F. Minus 41 plus 13. 28. So it is minus 28. We can cancel 4 from this equation, but in the previous equation, if you observe, we are having 4G. When you multiply that equation with 3, you will be getting equal coefficients of G. So, equation 1 into 3 amounts 12G plus 9F equal to 3. Adding these two, 16 plus 9, 25F. This is minus 25. Hence, F equal to minus 1. Substitute F value in equation 1. Substituting F equal to minus 1 in equation 1. What will you get? 4G minus 3 equal to 1 implies 4G equal to 4 implies G equal to 1. Substitute G value and F value both in second equation or in third equation. In any one of the equations you can substitute. In third, in 3, 8G minus 8G minus 8 into 1, 10F 10 into minus 1 plus C equal to minus 41. C equal to minus 8 minus 10 minus 18. Take that one to opposite side. Minus 41 plus 18. C equal to, in 41 subtract 18. Maybe 23. So C equal to how much, sir? Minus 23. Therefore, our equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx. What is g? 1. 2x. 2fy minus 2y minus 23 equal to 0. That is the equation of the required circle. The circle concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 and passing through minus 2 4. Of course, here passing concentric with the circle also can be used. Though it is not used, we can understand that the given one is a circle. How? In that x square coefficient equal to y square coefficient and there is no xy term, definitely it will represent a circle. Now, this is the circle given S equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, and this is center. Concentric means there is another circle. It may be outside this one or inside this one. That can be decided by just observing the length of the radius. What is equation of this circle? Our required circle is passing through the point minus 2 comma 14. What is meant by concentric? Concentric circles means circles having, let us take up given one as first one, second one as 2. Because the word concentric is used in that one. So, definitely this one and required circle will differ only in constant. That's why I assumed the constant part as K. How to find out K? Our required circle is passing through the point minus 2, 14. That is given in the hypothesis. Since it passes through minus 2, 14. Put x equal to minus 2, y equal to 14. This is 4 plus 196 plus 12 minus 56 plus k equal to 0. What is the value of k? 196 plus 4, 200. 200 plus 12, 212. 212 minus 56. 156. So, k plus 156 equal to 0. K equal to how much? Minus 156. Therefore, the required equation is x square plus y square plus minus 6x minus 4y in the place of k minus 156 equal to 0. That is the circle concentric with the given one and passing through that point, given point. Find the equation of the circle passing through minus 2, 3, 4, 5 and having center on x-axis. తెలుగులో మైనస్ 2, 3, 4, 5 బిందువుల గుండా పోతూ x అక్షముపై కేంద్రమును కలిగి ఉండే వృత్త సమీకరణమును కనుగొనుము. Here, let us draw the diagram. Two points minus 2, 3 and another one 4, 5. And its center, let us say this is x-axis. Center is lying on x-axis. Then what is its equation? That is the main problem. Here, let the circle be S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2 equal to 0. Center minus g minus f lies on x-axis. Means f equal to 0, because for any point lying on x-axis y coordinate will be 0. That's why y coordinate of the center is minus f. Therefore, f equal to 0. Circle equation is reduced to the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. Now, this circle is passing through minus 2, 3. Substitute here, substituting this point, minus 4g plus c equal to minus 13. It is passing through s equal to 0 is passing through 4, 5. Then what will you get? 8g plus c equal to minus 16 plus 25, 41. Now let us solve these two equations for g and c, because already you knew f value. minus minus plus. C cancelled. Minus 12G equal to minus 13 plus 41, 28. That is, and in this we can cancel 4 minus 3G equal to in 28 7 times. G equal to minus 7 by 3. Substitute G value in any one of these two equations. Minus 4 into minus 7 by 3 plus C equal to minus 13. C equal to minus 28 by 3 minus 13. C equal to minus 28 minus 39 by 3. C equal to minus 67 by 3. Let us verify this once again. Center lies on x-axis, hence I have taken f equal to 0. The equation will take this form. It is passing through minus 2, 3. So minus 4G plus C equal to minus of 13. Next, it is passing through 4, 5. Minus 8G plus C equal to minus 16 plus 25, 41. Here, subtracting, this is minus and this one is plus. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. C cancelled. Minus 13 plus 41. 41 minus 13 is how much? 28. Minus 12G equal to 28. Cancelling 4 minus 3G equal to 7. G value minus 7 by 3. Substitute G in this equation. Minus 4 into minus 7 by 3. Minus into minus plus 28 by 3. Take it to opposite side. Minus 28 by 3. Taking LCM 39. This is 67. Therefore, circle equation is x square plus y square 2gx minus 14 by 3 into x minus 67 by 3 equal to 0. In other words, x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 equal